This is our 2012 12-plate Mini Cooper S. So it's the later LCI model with the updated N18 1.6 turbocharged engine. It's finished in white silver. It's got the white bonnet stripes, which are removable. And it's got the Sport Chilli Pack, so it's got the full John Cooper Works body kit. Xenon lights form part of the Chilli Pack, and it gets the 17-inch cross-spoke JCW alloy wheels, also with the Sport JCW kit. It's got the optional piano black interior trim and the optional power fold wing mirrors. It's also got the 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, which is part of the Chilli Pack. So you have cruise control, telephone and audio controls. It's also got the visibility pack, so it's auto lights, auto wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. It's covered just over 57,000 miles, and it's also got the media navigation. So it's also got DAB, Bluetooth telephone connectivity, full climate control. It's also got the optional heated screen, optional heated seats. You can see the red stitching there, which is part of the Sport JCW pack. Front center armrest, another optional extra, and this absolutely gorgeous satellite grey lounge leather interior, which really sets this car off. As you can see from the inside, the car is exceptionally clean. There's no rips or tears to the interior, there's no signs of any smoking in the car. Alloy wheels all in fantastic condition, no scuffs or scrapes. Same for the rear bumper, it's all in top condition. And the boot area is all very clean and tidy. It's also got the option of the panoramic glass sunroof. Tyres on the car are all good, they're all matching Pirellis, and they're between 7 and 8 millimeters, they're all fairly recent. It's got the white roof, satellite grey colour line, and a really nice option, the leather trimmed dash. So hopefully you can see this in the video because it really does look special in real life. It's got the anthracite roof lining as found on the JCW models. Clear indicator lenses. So the car's got one lady owner from new. It's got full service history, and it comes with an MOT through till June 2019 with no advisories. You can see from the service info display, MOT is due June 19, brake fluid August 19, oil service August 19 or 13,000 miles, the rear brakes have 11,000 miles, inspection service during 23,000 miles or September 2020, and the front brakes have around 19,000 miles remaining. And you can see here all the documented Mini service records.